computer engineering student, and in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install the VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. So the big question is, what is VirtualBox? So VirtualBox is virtualization software that allows you to create and run multiple virtual machines on our computer. So let's get started. So our first step is open the web browser. So I am going to open Microsoft Edge. So I'm gonna search here Oracle VirtualBox download. So here, as you can see, we are in the official website, that is virtualbox.org. Download Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. So here it is very important to download VirtualBox from the official website, Oracle website, to avoid downloading an unofficial or modified version. So on the download page, I can see the different platforms options. Here is Windows host, Mac OS, Intel host, Mac OS, Apple Silicon host, Linux distributions, Solaris host, Solaris 11, IPS host. So as we are installing it on Windows, so I'm clicking on Windows. So here you can see my download is being completed. As because of slow internet speed, it is taking much more time. So we will wait. So here, as you can see, my Oracle VirtualBox is downloaded successfully. So I will open the downloaded exe file. So I will click S. Then it is opening. So welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.410. This is the version that we had downloaded. So I will simply click next button. Then I accept the terms of the license and agreement. I will click that checkbox. Then I will click next. So here also you can click on next. So during the installation of Oracle VirtualBox, your network will be disconnected. Ensure any operations requiring network's connection are complete before continuing. So I will simply click S. So then again yes, then again next. Then I'm going to click on install. So it is installing. The installation process will take several minutes. So we will wait for some time. The installation process is at its end. So I will wait until the installation is completed. Once the installation is complete, I will click finish. I can open it from Windows Start menu. So I'll search here VirtualBox. Oh, I'm sorry. So here my VirtualBox is downloaded and I have opened it. So after the Oracle VirtualBox Manager is open, after opening VirtualBox, I can see VirtualBox Manager. From here, I can create a new machine by clicking this new. So you can give any name, like my first VM. Then you can select any OS version like Windows, then other Windows, 32-bit, 16-bit, anything as you prefer. So In this video, we successfully download and install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows. As a third-year computer engineering student, VirtualBox is useful for practicing operating systems, networking, cloud computing, cyber security, and other technical subjects without directly modifying the main operating system. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button, share with your friends, and comment if you like the video. So in next videos, I will tell you how to run and create multiple virtual machines on our computer. So thanks for watching.